Just a regular Sunday on a hunt for the next deal. Going to check that bad boy out.
It's probably everywhere.
It was, yeah, I mean, the windows are still open.
So I did that here.
So,
When I did the roof, I cut all that out. So I had to replace a lot of boards.
yeah,
I had to fix a couple of things that weren't structurally good.
there's the second bathroom. Yeah. A couple of the windows.
In the front above the window, on the left-hand side.
I'll go take a look upstairs too.
Watch your head when you go up top the steps.
Oh, yeah. Safety first. Got it. Mucho. There's a bathroom. So right here, checking it out, and one thing I always go and take a look at was I go to the basement and I take a look at all the joists, because that's like the foundation of the house. You could see, you know, termite, or look if the wood is damaged. It's it can be fixed, but it's extremely expensive, and it depends if it's something you want to miss out with. So I'll let you take a look here. This one we're checking out, and you could see all the wood is being in there. And that's the porch, so let's still see the wood. The way, man. Right?
Yeah, right here, they start eating all this tree.
Yeah.
They start eating all the wood.
So all that wood is gonna need replaced. Where?
When you see all these, because it's gonna here.
Let me see where.
Here.
Oh wow.
Here, they start eating all the wood.
Hey, shine the lights one more time here. It's termite damage.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to find a deal, you gotta go out there and keep looking. Maybe you look at 7, 10, 15, 20 until you find the right one, but you gotta keep looking or it won't come. All right, let's go find some deals, guys.